So today we're going to be showing the HypaFOX 1RU chassis and the HypaFOX cassette solution, and just to show how easy it is to use and install. At the moment we've already got a 36 fiber LC single mode cassette installed into the chassis, which has 36 LC ports on the front and 3 12 fiber MTP ports on the back. And we also have the magnetic label which shows the port numbering configuration. Here we have a 24 fiber LC cassette front port and 2 MTP12s on the rear. Now to insert the cassette, it's actually quite simple. Just insert it into the slot and just wait for it to insert, and you'll hear a clicking noise. And to remove, just push up those 2 tabs with your fingers and you will slide out. And again, and that secures the cassette into place. Same with the magnetic label, quite simply, just attaches to the bottom of the cable management area, and there you can see the port numbering configuration as well.